Imagine waking up tomorrow morning and discovering that your AI assistant has already organized your emails, scheduled your meetings, summarized your unread documents, and prepared a personalized briefing for the day. Not because you asked it to, because it knew what needed to be done. For years, we've been interacting with AI like a tool. We type prompts, the AI responds. But what if AI stopped waiting? What if AI became proactive? At Google I/O 2026, Google introduced something called Gemini Spark, an AI system designed to work continuously in the background, helping users accomplish goals instead of simply answering questions. And if this technology succeeds, it may fundamentally change how humans work with computers. Today, we'll explore what Gemini Spark is, how it works, the technology behind it, and why many experts believe AI agents could become even more transformative than chatbots. From chatbots to agents. Think about how we currently use AI. You open ChatGPT, you ask a question, you receive an answer. The interaction ends. This is called a reactive system. It reacts when prompted. Gemini Spark introduces a different model. Instead of waiting for instructions, it can monitor ongoing tasks, maintain context over time, and proactively take actions. Imagine having a highly organized digital assistant. You don't remind them every 5 minutes. They remember goals. They track progress. They take initiative. That's the vision behind AI agents. The shift sounds small, but it changes everything. Historically, software waited for humans. Now, software may begin working alongside humans. What is Gemini Spark? At its core, Gemini Spark is an AI agent platform built on Google's Gemini models. Rather than acting as a simple chatbot, Spark can monitor tasks, understand objectives, access connected applications, execute actions, report results. It as a coordinator. Instead of generating information only, it can help move information between systems. For example, you tell Spark, "Help me prepare for next week's product launch." The agent could collect relevant emails, summarize project documents, identify missing tasks, build a meeting agenda, generate status reports. The objective remains active. Spark continues assisting over time. This persistent memory and goal-oriented behavior is what makes it feel different from traditional AI assistants. How does it actually work? Let's simplify the technology. Gemini Spark combines several AI capabilities. Capability 1, language understanding. The Gemini model interprets human instructions. Instead of requiring precise commands, users can communicate naturally. Capability 2, long-term context. Traditional conversations often lose context. Agents maintain ongoing understanding of projects, goals, and tasks. Capability 3, tool usage. This is crucial. The AI isn't limited to generating text. It can use software tools. Examples: email systems, calendars, documents, databases, project management platforms. Capability 4, planning. The agent breaks large goals into smaller actions. For example, goal, organize a conference. Subtasks, create checklist, schedule meetings, draft invitations, track responses. This process resembles how humans approach complex projects. Real-world examples. Example 1. Student. A university student is preparing for final exams. Spark could gather lecture notes, summarize chapters, create revision plans, schedule study sessions, generate quizzes. The student spends less time organizing and more time learning. Example 2. Professional. A project manager handles dozens of emails daily. Spark could categorize messages, highlight urgent items, draft responses, prepare weekly reports. Hours of repetitive work disappear. Example 3. Content creator. Imagine a YouTube creator. Spark could monitor industry news, collect article summaries, suggest video ideas, organize research, build content calendars. Instead of searching for information, creators focus on creativity. Example 4. Small business owner. A business owner could use Spark to track invoices, schedule customer meetings, generate reports, monitor business metrics. One person suddenly gains capabilities similar to a small operations team. Why this matters. The biggest limitation in knowledge work isn't information, it's coordination. Humans spend enormous amounts of time searching, organizing, scheduling, following up, updating records. These tasks are important, but they rarely create value directly. AI agents aim to automate coordination itself. If successful, they could dramatically increase productivity. The internet transformed access to information. Generative AI transformed information creation. AI agents may transform execution. Risks and challenges. Powerful technology always brings challenges. What happens if an agent misunderstands instructions? What if it gains access to sensitive information? What if it performs an unwanted action? This creates important questions about privacy, security, transparency, human oversight. Most experts agree that humans should remain in control of critical decisions. The goal isn't replacing people, it's augmenting them. Trust will become one of the most important factors in agent adoption. The history of computing is filled with major shifts. Command lines, graphical interfaces, the internet, smartphones, large language models. Gemini Spark suggests another possible shift. A future where software doesn't simply wait. A future where AI actively collaborates. Whether Gemini Spark becomes the dominant platform or not, one thing is becoming increasingly clear. The future of AI isn't just conversation, it's action. And the first generation of truly autonomous digital assistants may already be arriving. The question is no longer whether AI can answer our questions. The question is, what happens when AI starts completing our tasks? And that future may be much closer than most people realize. See you in the next one.